Did you know that just 11,000 years ago, barely a blink in Earth's history, the Sahara Desert wasn't a desert at all? It was a thriving, lush landscape covered in vegetation, rivers, and lakes. And the reason why is absolutely mind-blowing. Between 11,000 and 5,000 years ago, the Sahara was transformed into a mesic landscape with widespread grasslands, trees, large permanent lakes, and extensive river networks. About 3.5 million square miles turned green, and it supported animals like elephants, giraffes, hippos, and wild aurochs, the ancestors of cattle. Humans lived there as nomadic hunter-gatherers, and they left behind rock paintings and petroglyphs that still depict these pastoral scenes today. So what caused this incredible transformation? It wasn't a random climate shift, it was Earth's orbital wobble. Every 21,000 years, Earth's axial tilt changes slightly, moving the northern hemisphere closer to the sun during summer. This increased solar radiation by about 7%, which intensified the West African Monsoon system and pushed it 400 to 600 kilometers farther north than it reaches today. The most shocking part? Some of these megalakes were absolutely enormous. Lake Megachad, Lake Megafezan, and the Chats megalakes were as large as the Caspian Sea is today. Rivers like the Senegal, Nile, and Sahabi flowed abundantly. The entire desert became a network of waterways that humans could travel through. It wasn't the impassable barrier we think of today. And here's the craziest part. The entire Green Sahara didn't gradually fade away over millennia. It ended in just 200 years around 5,000 years ago. As Earth's orbit shifted back, the monsoon weakened, vegetation collapsed, and the Sahara became a hyper-arid desert almost overnight. Those populations didn't disappear, they migrated to the Nile Valley, where they went on to build ancient Egyptian civilization. Want to learn more incredible facts like this? Visit Sikho.ai for mind-blowing science and history content.